Join me today as I try Vietnamese banh mi for the very first time. I'm in Australia, I'm here in Dara, Brisbane. Right behind me is Scott's Takeaway. I'm gonna get a pork roll from there, and then I think I'm also gonna get a couple other things from another store. I'm excited to try this. Let's head inside. Just one pork roll, please. Thank you so much. Have a great day. All right, got the sandwich, got the Kirk's passion fruit that a lot of you guys recommended. But before I eat this, I want to go to another store here and get the Vietnamese iced coffee or the hot egg coffee. I'm not sure which one. It's $3.15 and almost all these stores are closed besides that one. And then they also only accept cash, which somebody did tell me in one of my comments, but I came here thinking some of them would accept F+, but no, they all only accept cash. This store right here, I'm gonna get the hot egg coffee. I've never tried that either. I think I'm gonna try whatever that is. That looks interesting. Hello, how's it going? Could I please get one hot egg coffee? What's this, the red thing? Pork? Yeah, could I please get one of those too? Have a great day. Thank you. This is the restaurant that I got the pork stick thing from and this coffee from. I'm not sure if I should try this coffee first or not because it's hot. Let me take the lid off. I want to look at it. I've never had the hot egg coffee, but I know in Vietnam it's famous. Oh, it looks like, well, the coffee cooks the egg. It kind of looks like scrambled egg coffee, which sounds disgusting, but I don't think it's going to be gross. Whoa. That's a really interesting flavor. And mixed with the coffee, it's really good. It's pretty sweet, actually. I didn't think it was gonna be sweet at all. And it's thick, but still liquidy, the egg I'm talking about. And it mixes pretty well with the coffee. I do want to travel to Vietnam at some point, but until then, this is all I have to try for the hot egg coffee, and it's not bad at all, because I love coffee too. The egg is really creamy and sweet. It kind of tastes like an egg custard. The hot egg coffee really surprised me. I wasn't sure what to expect, but I didn't expect this. I think I gotta give the hot egg coffee, or what was the hot egg coffee, a 7.8 out of 10. It's almost an 8. It's almost up there. I'm sure if I try a few different ones, I'll find a better one. Now I'm going to try whatever super greasy pork stick thing I got was. They look like meat patties almost. I'm assuming that's what they are. Some type of meat patty with sauce that makes it red. It's not too sweet actually. It looks sweeter than it is. It almost tastes like a big meatball, and it kind of looks like one too. I think I'm going to have to give this pork skewer, whatever you want to call it, a 6.5 out of 10. It's not the juiciest pork, it's not the highest quality pork, but it still tastes good, and it's not too expensive either. I've gotten a lot of comments that say to try the Kirk's passion fruit soda, so I had to get it right here. This can was only $2. Compared to some of my other videos, that's a steal for this can. Ooh, I like this. I definitely like this more than the other Kirk's products I've tried so far. I've tried the creaming soda and the lemonade. This one's my favorite. It's nice to wash down this food with. Although I did already just only eat a tiny bit of a meatball thing. The rest I had was a drink. Thank you for everybody who recommended the Kirk's passion fruit. Pasito, I think that's how you say it. I think I gotta give the Kirk's passion fruit drink a 7.5 out of 10. I could totally see myself buying this again. I still like Solo way better though. Sorry to the people that are fans of this. Now I've got to open up this banh mi, or pork roll as they call it here. That's the English name. It's almost like a Subway sub, kind of. It looks like a nice and crispy bread. Oh, it's got thin sliced cold meat in it, maybe? I thought it was gonna be like hot pork, but I'm not sure. I haven't been into it yet. Maybe it is hot pork. It smells like really fresh lettuce in here. Oh, that's because they have zucchini in it. Zucchini, carrots, coriander. Oh, that's what I'm smelling. Or some type of sauce on there too. I took the whole wrapper off. I hope all the stuff doesn't fall out of the bottom, but I gotta try this. I love coriander. If you're watching from the US, coriander is literally just cilantro. And I know some people think it tastes like soap, but I love it. The birds are kind of starting to low-key gather around me. They must want some banh mi. First couple bites, I don't know what type of sauce they have in here, but it is good. I'm going to assume that the banh mi from Scott's Road Takeaway, had to look over at the name over there, is probably gonna be close to as authentic as you can get in Australia. This isn't even 100% authentic. I'd consider it authentic if it was all Vietnamese ingredients made by Vietnamese people. But whenever I eventually get to Vietnam, I'm totally gonna try it. Now I'm surprised I've gone my whole life without ever having banh mi. It doesn't look too special, honestly. It just looks like any sub, but whatever sauce they put on here mixed with these fresh ingredients inside is super good. Of course, the thinly cut pork wrapped around it all too is amazing. And the bread itself is actually really good quality. The crust is crunchy, but the actual white of the bread, the inside of the bread, is really soft still. It's a good thing I don't live close to the store because I'd totally be getting this all the time. If any of you watching have any recommendations of anything you want to see me try in Australia, let me know in the comments down below. I'll do my best to try it, and if I do, I'll pin your comment onto the screen. I'm loving this thing. I gotta give the banh mi a 9 out of 10. It's super good. Australia's been getting a lot of 9 out of 10s on their food, which is a good thing. There's so many different cultures, fresh produce, and a lot of places that have good prices. Not everywhere. Some places are a little expensive, but I'm sure you guys know that. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I've got a lot more Australia content coming for you. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, have a good one.